Yeah. So, but once you have the tool, it's America is not hard. But it's hard for those who are trying to take the shortcut, or it's hard for somebody who's lazy. This is not a country you can be lazy, because if you're lazy, you have to have some creativity. You can't just sit at home. No, it's different because, like, now the new administration, they said people who are in Section 8, like I have a few coworkers at my job. They're now into rental. They're renting their homes, and one of my close friends, she has a townhouse, and this is her first time renting. So she rented to Section 8, and she's like, Section 8 is good now because after every 2 years, the person, if you're on Section 8 now, in 2 years' time, you can't go back on it. You're going to get kicked off. So it forces people to go work. What about those who are sick, right? What about those who can't work? What about the elderly who are on Section 8? That's going to affect them. But I'm talking up for the young, and again, you may see somebody and they may look young, able-bodied in the physical high, but they really has a disability. It's just not a visible disability. He definitely keep you on your toes. But let a pass too. Him keep me on my toe, my foot, my hand, my neck, everything. I don't know him alone. YouTube, these people say hi. Hello, hi Kay. Hey Sally, how are you? Thank you for coming by. Thank you for stopping by. But yeah, America is a good place. I mean, I love living here. However, start coming here freshly from Jamaica with no experience. I don't know a lot of financial terms because Jamaican only got bank sometimes when it's very important. But I mean, I used to work with the government in Jamaica, so I used to go to the bank. But I'm talking about the average person don't really go to bank. They have cash in hand most of the time, right? And if you live somewhere, you don't pay light, you don't pay water. If one person have cable and share it, all right? So it's a whole different thing here. Here, as soon as you pay a bill, you have to pay another bill. So it's so much different living here. However, if you don't mind shop, because the money is so nice, you work, and you work till you die. And they even have it to say that Canada even have a higher life expectancy than the US. For real. A higher life expectancy. So you see a lot of people in the US, they're now moving to Canada because they don't have to work as hard. Oh, yes, God. Oh, Jesus. I'm sorry. Wrong people. Husa, God, Husa. Husa, my God, Husa. Papa. Just go and drink the soda then, man. Remember, every time you got a doctor, like juke, right? Just go and drink them. They tell us if you can't go to school, go give them to your friend them. Just go and drink them. Drink. No, just drink. Drink enough. I'm gonna drink it. Read what Laura says. Woo. Come read what Lara says. Come read what she says. Which part that one did it? Which part? Which one? Thank you, K, for a like. That one there? Which one? That one? Move a mess. Let's move a mess. Papa, read the last one. Cherish that woman, Papa. Oh wait, you want a cookie or something? Like? Are you gonna go to your mom for the summer? We have to finish summer school. After summer school. Don't know the thing said, guys. They don't know, Papa. After summer school. Probably no. Oh yeah, you should. I will drive you to New York. You want me to drive you? If you make me drive.